Attention gamers, I'm back with another video game recommendation for a video game to get remastered. There was a racing game called Woodpecker Racing. In this video game, you get to play as Woody and all of his friends, and they race each other in this game. But in this game, you have to go through a series of courses and tournaments to unlock, and bosses to unlock them and race as them too. In this game, you go throughout every racing area in the Woody Woodpecker cartoon world as Woody Woodpecker and all of his friends and enemies. And also you get to slow them down with a lot of obstacles you collect and use them against the enemy. And once you complete the task, you win first place in a trophy. It's a tournament of each race. This game was very popular in the year 2000, and I believe it deserves a remake. I recommend you talk to people about it in person, Facebook, Twitter, Reddit, and Pinterest, and even Skype it. Bye for now. Until next time, I think of another video game recommendation for a video game to get remastered. Please remember to like and subscribe my channel.